Question number 7. Which of the following is a basic amino acid? It's lysine. Question number 8. Which amino acid is most likely to be phosphorylated in proteins? Serine. Question number 9. Which is an essential amino acid? Leucine. Question number 10. Which of the following is a precursor for serotonin? Tryptophan. Question number 11. Which amino acid is a precursor for catecholamines? Tyrosine.